F16 BVR combat. Hello guys, in this video we will go through the basics of BVR engagement. So in beyond visual range fight we cannot see the enemy obviously. So we use the radar to detect the target and log them. Alright, let's start. First we turn on the radar by pressing on this button right over here, and we turn it on by pressing this button. Now we see on left hand side this is a radar screen, and this dash over here is our enemy. Now if you look on the right side, over here you see 160 written, that is 160 miles. That means a radar is searching on the max distance of 160 nautical miles. Now all this information means that our enemy is within 160 miles, but that's not it. We need more information. Now to get more information out of the radar screen, we see these four uh, horizontal lines. These lines are called range markers. They help us to estimate distance more accurately. Now how to do it? If you see right over here on the right side, the distance is 160 mile. That is the maximum range our radar is looking at. If we divide that by 4, we get 40 miles for each marker. So each box represents 40-mile increment, just as shown like this. Now we can say that enemy is within 160 miles obviously, but more accurately within 40 miles. But that's not it. We can zoom further. We can do it by pressing the button over here, selecting the range. With this knob we select 40 nautical miles. Now we divide that by 4. This gives us 10-mile increment for each marker. Now we can say that our target right over here, it's within 30 nautical miles, as you can see right here. Now we know the exact distance of the enemy. Next step is to lock it. We can do that by pressing this button and selecting TDC, and with the help of this green knob we can move our cursor around in our screen, as you can see, and we press lock. That's it. This is the screen on our instrument panel. Now the target is locked. If you can see the HUD or the HUD of our F16, the box right over here, wait a minute, let me select aim 7. Now if we zoom in and you see the box right over here, that is our enemy. And if you look at on our radar, enemy is within 20 nautical miles, which is quite close. Now next step is to shoot it. Okay, now if you see right over here, this is called dynamic launch zone or DTZ. It helps us to know when to fire the missile. Now if you see right over here, this this number, this shows the closure rate between us and the enemy aircraft. You see this marker is moving down as the distance closes. uh, Wait a minute, let me play it. You see the marker is going down. Now we do not shoot immediately, we wait this marker to enter these two lines. This is the effective launch zone, the zone where the missile has much better chance to hit the target. Now we also have a RWR warning showing 21, that means enemy aircraft is MiG-21. Now you see our closure rate marker, it is within this launch zone, the perfect range. Now what we do is we shoot, and we wait for our aim 7 to hit the MiG-21, and we see, and that's a hit. And that's how we destroy an enemy aircraft in beyond visual range combat. Thank you guys for watching. In next video I'll show you how to defend an aim 7. If you'd like to know about it, let me know, and thank you.